support the bill. Thank you.
Thank you. Note the chair has returned, so I'll turn the gavel over to her. I believe we may have
translation.
Some members of the public who need additional time for translation. Yes, sir.
OK，你講，對住個咪講，呢個
公乜要公員喎要話。
你個名，你
尊敬的州參議員們，你好，我叫姚阿廖，住在舊金山。我懇請你對276投贊成票，謝謝。
Dear state senators, good afternoon. My name is Hansen Liu, and I live in San Francisco. I urge you to vote yes on SB 276. Thank you.
尊敬嘅參議士們，你哋好，我名叫安少嬲，住喺舊金山。我哋舊金山嘅老人呢，都好支持 BS276提案，懇請各位參議士通過呢個法案，多謝。
Honorable State Senator, hi, my name is Ansun Lau, and many of the Chinese seniors living in San Francisco all supporting SB 276. Thank you very much.
Hello， 大家好，我係披仙司徒，嚟到舊金山嘅，我強烈支持BSB 276，請大家咧就有美好嘅一天。
Hello everyone, my name is Benson Sito, and I come all the way from San Francisco. I strongly support SB 276. We wish you a good day. Thank you.